Today's carry is called the half front wrap cross carry. The front wrap cross carry is basically the standard carry that most people use with a stretchy carrier, like a boba wrap or the Moby wrap or things like that, the baby Catan. So I'm going to use a size 4, and you could do this with a size 3. I think I prefer the size 4 just because it gives you a little bit more to tie with. But I did it this morning with a size 3 wrap, and it was okay. So that would be my base minus 2 sizes. So you start with the middle marker, and your baby, on your baby's back right here is my middle marker. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's really tiny and black right there. Just this little tiny dot. Okay, and you have your baby on your front. Hi, Zekers. Say hi, Zeke. Hi. And you bring up one strap behind you, just like you're gonna do front wrap cross carry, and kind of pull your tail tight to get his seat nice and adjusted. And then you grab the other tail right there, and you get some snuggles. Snuggle, baby. Hi. That's my eyeball. So now I have 2 straps that cross in the back, and I have a foot stuck here. He's trying to take my eyeballs out of my face. Let's see if I can get that up a little bit better. Okay, so now I have 2 straps that come across my back like this, making an X, and then down in front. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take one that goes down. I'm going to adjust my tails a little bit and get them a little bit snugger, get them a little higher. Is I'm going to pull one and do a little half flip there. So I turned the reverse side out. I had the light or yellow side out, and now I'm going to put the black side to just give a little shoulder flip. And I'm going to tuck that under his leg, making a nice comfy seat for him. And I'm going to bring that up next to him on this side and tie it off. And he's going to get sad because it's kind of nap time for us right now. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. There we go. For a shorter wrap, it's a pretty comfortable front wrap cross carry. So we have tied in a double knot, and you can tie this in a slip knot so that it's easier to nurse in if you need to be nursing, or you can just tie a regular double knot, and that's a front wrap cross carry.